These are the food and drink gathered from Aldi. Aldi is a discount supermarket with affordable price. This all from Aldi, the drink and the food. And this one is lemon lime soda. This is unsalted butter. This is mild cheddar cheese, and this is 12-gram bread. And I'm gonna use this to make a grilled cheese sandwich in air fryer. Drink, this one is pineapple nectar made by Jumex. Jumex is a major Mexican drink company. Pineapple nectar. I'm gonna try original flavor, and also I'm gonna make a punch with lemon lime soda. Lime soda, original flavor. Very good. Lime smell. A little bit sour. Apple nectar. Really mix it up. Very smell. This is a good punch with pineapple nectar and with the lemon lime soda together, so you got sweet and sour flavor all together. So I like the punch flavor better compared to the original flavors. Grilled cheese sandwich in air fryer. There's the air fryer, the bread, the butter, and mild cheddar cheese. Butter here, and now here. Spread the butter. Bread, the one with butter, face down into air fryer, and put cheese in. 1, 2. This one, butter is up. Air fry. Push it so stick together. Right. Very crispy. The crunchy sound. Two specks first. Excellent. That's a great smell. Cheese. The bread's crispy outside, inside the cheese melt in the mouth. Excellent taste. Try this. I'm gonna make 3 pancakes. 2 sweet pancakes and 1 savory pancake. And here are the ingredients. We're gonna have the pancake mix, the green onion, we got the milk, strawberry, banana, and the tool we're gonna use whisk and chopping cups. Take some strawberry out, that's for the topping. I'm gonna make the strawberry pancake. Take it out, strawberry into this chopping cups. It's tight. And turn low to ground strawberry. Grounded banana. So we're gonna put this grounded banana into the cup. Is the green onion pancake, and one is banana pancake, and one kind is strawberry pancake. And first we're gonna do the pancake mix with the milk to make the pancake mix base. And later, if this mix with green onion, that'll become savory green onion pancake. Mixed with banana, that'll become banana sweet pancake. Mix with strawberry, will make it strawberry sweet pancake. Pancake mix. Make the base. Okay, so stir this out. Low speed. Now we're gonna add banana into this pancake mix base to make a sweet banana pancake. So I finished these three pancakes. One is strawberry pancake and one is banana pancake. This one is the strawberry pancake and this one is the banana pancake. This is sweet banana pancake. So banana on the top, and the pancake. Very good. The sweet is come from the banana, natural sweetness. So not too sweet, but that's good enough for me. So if you don't think sweet enough, you can add syrup or honey. So that's a good taste. Drink this. A strawberry pancake, and this is strawberry on the top and pancake. This has the sweet and sour kick from the strawberry. That's a natural, excellent taste. And there's no sugar added, so it's a natural flavor. So if you don't think this is sweet enough, you can add syrup or honey. And compare these two pancakes, strawberry and banana. I like this strawberry pancake better. So bring this. Savory green onion pancake. That's my favorite breakfast. Let's try this. Let's try the original flavor. That's great. Green onion smell. Excellent green onion taste. It's soft and moist. Drink this. Sweet chili sauce on top of it. Extra flavor. This is sweet chili sauce. So got all different tastes. You got sweet, spicy, and savory all together. Excellent combination. Very good. Drink this. I'm gonna try this pesto I got from Aldi. It's made in Italy. The major ingredients are olive oil, basil, and nuts. And it's good with pasta and seafood. I'm gonna try this on salmon. Great basil smell. Very creamy. Top of salmon. Spread it out. Pesto on top of salmon on one side. Put in air fryer, 400 degrees, 10 minutes. And after that, take it out, flip it the other side, and put pesto on top of it. Also 400 degrees and 10 minutes. That'll be fully cooked. Organic spaghetti from Aldi, and also this Parmesan cheese, also from Aldi. I'm gonna cook this spaghetti, and I'm gonna put on pesto and also add Parmesan cheese. The whole thing together, that's very easy to make, healthy Mediterranean meal. We got the organic spaghetti from Aldi. Got pesto from Aldi, and Parmesan cheese also from Aldi, and this mixed vegetable, that's from Aldi too. And we get a salmon all together. That's easy to make, excellent, healthy, tasty Mediterranean meal. Salmon and put some vegetable together. Great smell. Wow, very good. That's good pesto taste. And that's a good, also strong basil taste inside. Excellent, great taste. So pesto is great for the seafood. Spaghetti with pesto. Great smell. That's very good taste with the spaghetti and pesto, and got good basil taste inside too. Very smoothie. On top, Parmesan cheese. Excellent flavor. With extra flavor of Parmesan cheese. So you should add this Parmesan cheese. It tastes better.
If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.